How to record a laptop or PC screen using OBS. Everyone, open a browser. Go to the OBS homepage. Select Windows. Left-click the OBS installer to begin the installation, or find the OBS installer in your Downloads folder. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Select Cancel so we can configure it manually. First, we'll add the computer screen to OBS. Select the plus sign. Select Display Capture. Select the screen. We can also add a webcam overlay to the screen while recording. The webcam is under Video Capture Device. Select your camera. You can also add text to the screen while recording. Now I'll show you how to configure OBS for the smoothest recording and the best video quality. Go to Settings. Select Output. Under Output Mode, select Advanced. Go to the Recording tab. Choose where you want to save your videos. Here, I'm saving the videos to the D drive in the Videos folder. Select MKV as the recording format. For Video Encoder, select your graphics card's H260 for encoder. Under Encoder Settings, configure it the same way I do. Go to the Audio tab. Select the microphone you're using. Go to the Video tab. Select the highest resolution. My computer uses Full HD resolution. If your computer supports 2K or 4K, you can choose 2K or 4K, depending on your preference. Set these two options to the same resolution. Set the FPS to 60. You can set shortcut keys to start or stop screen recording, depending on your preference. That's it. Select Apply. Select OK. You can toggle the system audio on or off. In other words, the desktop audio or the microphone. To start recording, select Start Recording. That's it. You've successfully recorded your laptop or PC screen. To stop recording, select Stop Recording. This is the screen recording I just made. I copied it from the D drive to the desktop, and now I'll open it to see how it turned out. It's that simple. That's how you can record your laptop or PC screen using OBS.